Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another Glam DIY to share with you guys. And if this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. So let's get into how I made today's DIY. Alright everyone, I was in Dollar Tree and look at all the lovely vases that they have. OMG! Don't they look nice? Now I like this one here, so I'm going to get some of these ones. And I also like this shape that they have here. So I'll be picking up both and some tumbling blocks. Alright, so here are the tumbling blocks I picked up at the Dollar Tree. They come in a package like this. The tumbling game blocks. So I'll be using some hot glue and gluing our blocks together. Now you can use, what's it called? Wood glue, which would be okay, but I find it fine with my hot glue, so that's what I'm using. So now that I'm finished gluing our pieces two together, now I'm going to glue everything together going down in two sections. And now I'm going to glue our two sides together. And just hold them together till the glue dries. Now that we got our blocks all glued together, I'm going to come in with some white paint and some gold paint. So the white one, I'll be priming it. And then when that's all dry, I'll be painting it over with the gold. I find the gold has a nicer look when you prime whatever you're using with some white paint on the bottom. And then I'll set everything aside to dry. And now for the next side of our base, I'll be using the gold paint again and painting these little canvases that we have, which I got from the Dollar Tree also. And now our canvas is all dry, so I'm going to be using some of these mirrored pieces that I got from Temu. And they have the adhesive on the back, so I'm just gonna take off the backing and then just add them to our canvas. Now the base is all dry, and doesn't the gold look beautiful? So I'm going to come in with some mirrored tiles and just put it right along the edge of our base. And again, the mirrored tiles have self-adhesive, so we're just going to lay them down going right around. Just on 3 sides, not all 4 sides. And now that our 2 pieces are done, we are going to use some hot glue and glue them together. You can use a more stronger glue if you choose to, but again, I'm just using some hot glue. And put our 2 pieces together, and we're just going to hold them in place until they're dry. Okay, so now we're going to remove the plastic that's protecting the mirrored side of our decor. Just take them off. I love how this display stand is looking so far. It looks super cute. Look at that. Alright, so now we are going to fix up our vase. So I'm going to be using some of this bling here along with some gold chain. And I'll be using some hot glue and some E6000 to put them around our vase. And now we're going to be adding the gold chain going around. And these are 2 finished pieces, so I'm going to put them together and show you how they look. Alright everyone, here is how our pieces look. I think they look lovely. As you can see, our display stand with the mirrored design and our 2 vases are on top. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. And here's how it looked with some candles inside. You can display them with candles, or if you like, you can put flowers inside. Whichever decor you'd like to add to it, I think it would look lovely. And these are the only candles I had. They're a little tall, but it still looks nice. And here is the display stands all by themselves. I love how these stands turned out. Absolutely beautiful. You can put anything on it and display anywhere throughout your home. So I'm just adding these 2 little pieces. I like how the stand turned out all by themselves. I think it looks lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And do you like the stands all by themselves? I do. I think they look absolutely lovely. Alright everyone, I hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button on your way out. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.